Have you ever had a drone die on you at the most inconvenient times? Introducing FMTT, also known as Force Motors to Thrust. This revolutionary new product will change the way drones are built forever. Look at that stylish wood. The FMTT allows even the average Joe to find the most efficient way to use their drone, whether building or already built. Nothing on the market is even close to offering as many features for as low of a price. The FMTT shows the amount of force you get for the power you are supplying. With this, it becomes trivial to find out how much power you need for your drone. Are you wasting power on unnecessary thrust? What if you only needed half the power to lift the same load? You'd never know until FMTT. How did we do all of this, you might ask? First, power comes from the battery. The speed controller is what tells a motor how fast to go. Speaking of the motor, this is the one we chose for testing. To show a little bit of how it operates, why don't we open her up? On the inside, we have a force sensor to measure the thrust. There is also a current sensor, which is reading the power output from the battery. This data is sent to our Arduino Mega, which then translates it to an easy-to-read graph. Let's show it in action. First, you need to plug in the speed controller. Start with the PWM connection, and then the positive and negative ends for power. And then the battery. And finally, the Arduino Mega. After it's all plugged in, you'll hear a few beeps and the screen will tell you it's ready to go. Let's get her started. Wow, did you see that right there? Our product can stop innocent bystanders from getting hurt. Don't be like me. Find out how long and how far your drone can go today. The days of drones falling out of the sky are a thing of the past. If you call right now, you can get a special, low-cut cost of $120. And for only $5 extra, we'll throw in a complimentary cable extension. Peace.
Try not to hit you too hard. Okay, there we go.